Hello, welcome to this physics lab offered online. My name is George Manachero and I will be your course instructor. If you are not familiar with logging on to Canvas, log on to http://fsw.instructure.com and that will take you to the dashboard of Canvas, where you can access your course using this pull-down menu. If you don't see your courses here, most probably your courses will all be here. Click on the course to open its home page. I'm going to go and look at all of my courses. To open one of my summer courses, I'm going to open Physics 2048L Summer A, and that takes you to the home page of the Physics Lab Canvas course. Now, the first item in the home page is a welcome message. Open that PDF file and read that completely. The second item is an introduction video. Of course, that is what you're watching now. After watching the introduction video, you need to watch a video on graphing on Excel. Open it in a new page.
In this video segment, I will explain and demonstrate to you how to use Excel.
Now, this is a video I made using Office 2010. If you have a different version of Office, the Excel is not very different from what I have used. Most of the explanations and instructions that I have given you are good for Office 2013, which you can actually download free from the college portal. I will show it to you. Well, learn how to construct a good graph, on how to label the axes, how to do the scatter plot, how to do the trend line, how to measure the slope and record it with appropriate unit, then copy and paste the graph onto the Word document. Well, after watching the graphing video, I want you to come and watch the video on how to make a good document. It is very important that you write your lab report using good diagrams, equations, symbols, and so on. And I explain all these, how to make a good Word document using this video. So watch that video to prepare for writing your lab reports. Now, in some cases, if you have any difficulty in making a good Word document, you can also write down your report neatly, scan it, and submit it as a PDF file. All right? So once you have watched the introduction video, video on graphing, and the document video, you need to now go back to the discussion board, click on discussion, and make a posting there. I have opened many postings for you. Open attendance verification and make a posting here confirming that you have read the welcome message, you have watched the introduction video, and you're ready for the course now. All right, let's go back to the home page of the course. Once you have made the posting, you got to now come and read the syllabus and look at the course schedule. So click on syllabus. That takes you to the schedule page. It gives you the complete schedule for the labs, the due dates, and the labs that are scheduled for this semester. If you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, these are the labs that are scheduled for this semester. All right, let's go and take a look at the syllabus. Open the Word file and make sure that you follow all the items in here, including attendance policy, requirements for student, how to make a posting in order that you may get attendance credit, course schedule, and so on. Once you have read the syllabus, let's go back to the home page. I want you to download Office 365 if you don't have Office on your computer. So click on it, it'll take you to the home page of the college portal, and you can download Office 365 free from here. Alright, and finally, if you have any questions concerning technology or anything else, you can go to Student Information Station for assistance. Now we are ready to look at the class schedules. You don't have to go back to the home page for that. Click on class schedules, and all the labs and the dates that they are due are given here. Alright, click on lab 1 and see what you have there. On a lab page you have a document that is actually the lab manual, which contains all the instructions and description of the experiment, and a data video. What I would like you to do is watch the data video very carefully, at least once, and then read the lab manual at least once before you really start the experiment. And one thing you notice here is that I want you to get a couple of things. One is a 30 centimeter ruler. Now that is something that you should have. Sorry to block you now. A 30 centimeter ruler like this. Now in the lab I will show you this, and I will ask you to measure its length on the computer screen. You can see this on the computer screen now. So measure the length of this. Now the actual length of this is 30 centimeter. So after measuring its length on the computer screen, you work out a conversion factor. The conversion factor is the actual length, which is 30 centimeter, divided by your measured length. For example, you measured 10 centimeter on your computer screen. The conversion factor is 3. 30 centimeter divided by 10 centimeter, that is 3. That means any other length you measure on your computer screen, if you multiply by 3, you get the actual measurement. We will be using this in many of the experiments. Also keep a divider, something that will help you to measure the length on the computer screen. Another thing you would need is a stop clock. Now most of you have smartphones, and they are actually stop clocks. They work as stop clocks. If you don't have one, you can download one. Go to Google and download a stop clock and keep it on your computer screen. Well, I hope you will enjoy this lab course, and if you have any questions, get back to me and I'll answer all your questions. And if you notice, after you have completed all the 8 required labs, you have to take a lab final. And if you go to lab final, you find nothing there. I will upload the lab data and the lab manual, the question, 24 hours before the final. All right, I wish you all the best, and I hope you will enjoy this course.